Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Fender Mustang Micro headphone amplifier and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this amp not working or not connecting or having problems with the sound or anything like that, we can very often fix those issues with a hard reset. Now any configurations or anything like that you've got set on this, it is going to be reset to the factory out of the box defaults, and that's kind of the second reason you might want to do this. If you just want to get this back to exactly the way it was when it came out of the box, we can go ahead and do that with a factory reset. It's very easy to do. We need to have make sure that we have enough battery power to it, and we're just going to come in and find the FX button, and on some models, this, instead of saying FX, it will just have FX on here, and we are just going to press and hold the up button on the FX and press and hold it for 3 seconds, and that will initiate the factory reset. Just give it a minute to complete the reset, and then you can go ahead and set it up as a new device.